to use with any automatic drip coffee maker. First, discard any unused filter and coffee. Next, pour 2 cups of cold water to 1 ounce of coffee maker cleaner into the carafe until it is full. Then, pour the carafe into the water reservoir. Brew the solution through the coffee maker as if you were making coffee. Goo Gone Coffee Maker Cleaner removes clogs, hard water deposits, and residues from the internal components of your coffee maker. Dispose of cycle solution down the drain and rinse sink. Rinse your coffee maker by washing the carafe thoroughly, refilling with clean cold water, and cycling water through the coffee maker. Repeat the cycling process of brewing with clean cold water several times before brewing coffee. To keep your appliances running efficiently and for greater tasting coffee, use Goo Gone Coffee Maker Cleaner on a monthly basis. So put the flavor back in your coffee with Goo Gone Coffee Maker Cleaner. It will make your coffee maker brew like new.